Hello there. I don't know if you remember, a few months ago I did a video. I'm not sure if you've seen it or not, but I did a video where I took some eggs, placed them into an incubator, and then eventually had the little chicks. Now the chickens are quite tall, they're nice, they're healthy, except one. One is actually walking like a penguin. And I don't understand why, because not so long ago it was walking just fine, and now suddenly it's just a bit weird. So I'm just throwing this just to see if someone can tell me what's going on, what could cause this, if it's a disease or I don't know, or I don't know. So I'm a bit baffled here. So anyway, let me show it to you now, and maybe you can help me. That's the chicken I've got a problem with. Okay, as you can see, she's beautiful, she's got beautiful colors, but you can see her bum is pretty dirty because when she walks, she actually walks like this, like a penguin, and I'm not too sure why. I'll show it to you now. Okay, as you can see, she's not standing like a normal chicken. It looks like her legs on the floor. Well, obviously her legs on the floor, but you know, the back part of her legs on the floor. And when she walks, you will see, you see, she really walks funny. She stands straight, she doesn't stand like a chicken. So I'm not too sure what's going on. I really am not sure. She seems like to have some kind of disease, not sure. She's, I don't know. So if someone can tell me what's going on, that would be great, and what I can do about it, because obviously I'm not too happy seeing her walking like that. Obviously, if there's a solution, if there's something I can do, that would be brilliant. Well, okay, that's it for today. As you've seen today, it's not a video where I actually show you something, but a video where I need help, because I would really like to see that bird being right, you know, being healthy. And I'm pretty sure she's suffering right now. So if I can get the help of someone, there's always someone that knows something. And if you know the cure for that, or if you know the reason for that, please comment below. And then eventually I will do a video, and hopefully she'll be better. Okay, thanks very much in advance. We'll see you in the next video. Ciao.